In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Suno AI song. To get started, open your browser, head to the Suno website, and log into your account. Once you're in, the best and most reliable approach is to use the built-in editor. This keeps your workflow simple and gives you precise control over what changes and what stays the same. Begin by opening your library, where all your generated tracks live. Click the song you want to edit, then choose Edit or Open in Editor. Inside the editor, focus on refining the lyrics. This is where you can change individual words, fix awkward lines, add a chorus if the song needs a stronger anchor, improve the hook so it's more memorable, or adjust the structure to get a smoother flow from verse to chorus. Small intentional edits usually yield the most natural results. For example, if the original line reads, "This is my song today," and you want it to feel more personal and powerful, you might change it to, "This is my moment today." Notice how a single word shift tightens the message and raises the emotional impact. After you've made your tweaks, click Regenerate. Suno will update only the edited section, keeping the rest of the song intact. This is key because it preserves the tone, melodies, and overall feel you already like while refreshing the parts that need help. If you're aiming for nuance, try editing one section at a time and regenerating in stages. That way you can confirm each change is working before moving on. If your track feels too short, use the extend option. Open the song, click extend, add your new lyrics, and generate the continuation. This is especially useful for adding another verse to develop the story, building a final chorus to land the emotion, or simply making the song longer without starting from scratch. When you write extension lyrics, try echoing key phrases or themes from earlier sections so the continuation feels cohesive. As a rule of thumb, consider editing when you need to fix lyrics that don't quite land, strengthen a chorus or hook, change the structure for better pacing, extend the song for length or impact, or subtly improve the overall quality. With the built-in editor and the extend feature, you're never locked into a first draft. Make thoughtful changes, regenerate with intent, and you'll shape your Suno AI song into something you're proud to share.